Okay, here in this next part, I wanted to give you some actual questions that might help you and your teacher in gathering the information that they might need for the letter of recommendation. Okay, so these are questions for the applicants themselves, so you as applicants. So what two or three activities or interests have meant the most to you in your academic career, in your secondary school career? So this is something that you should go ahead and maybe even try to come up with before you meet with your teachers or counselor and you discuss the details of your recommendation letter. Another question to consider is, what three words would you use to describe yourself? So this is where we encourage students to sort of come up with a brag sheet where they are trying to reflect on themselves as applicants. So it's also a good self-reflection practice or activity if you want to view it that way. And another question, what words would your teachers use? So what do you think your teachers think about you, or what qualities come to mind when they think about you as an applicant or student in their class? What about your parents, and what about your friends even? So it might be a good idea to just gather all these thoughts under one question. The next question would be, is your transcript a full evaluation of you as a student? So does it really represent the qualities that you think you have, and why or why not? So this is also something important to reflect on, because this could be potentially something that your teacher could potentially explain or even clarify to the admissions team if something is in mismatch. And what do you plan to study in college? What specific experiences have helped you make this decision? So I think these are even like two very different topics, like what do you plan to study in college? So let's not forget that the teacher or counselor who's in question shouldn't just write this recommendation to you blindly, but they should also know about your aspirations, whether it's your career or academic journey that they are talking about, and what specific experiences have helped you make this decision. So not just the academic results, but also any leadership potential or capacity that you have already dedicated your time and effort to, and basically any experience that has formed the person that you are today as an applicant.